Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get the best prompts possible for any text to images AI generator. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So by using this method, you will able to get the best prompt for any tools, for example, on Leonardo AI or Midjourney. So for this example, let's go over to Leonardo AI. So for this website, you have to go to metricsmule.com and just go over to ChatGPT and ChatGPT Prompt Genius. And all credits goes to the Metrics Mule website and also their YouTube channel. So go check them out, guys. And then just let's just log in for this. So I'm using a free subscription for Leonardo AI, but if you use a paid subscription, then you will be able to produce quality images with this one. So for this one, let's go over to here, Leonardo AI Prompt Idea Generator, and you need ChatGPT for this. So you can use the 3.5, which is the free one. And all you have to do is copy and paste this. So there, as you can see, would you like me to generate a specific prompt? So just have to answer the question from 1 to 3. So for number 1, yes, yes. So for number 3, what do you want the prompt to be about or include as a theme or subject? So for example, Spider-Man versus Batman, Ben Affleck fighting in Gotham.